Hey guys, my name is John Davies and welcome to this lesson on applying the Single Stroke 7 to the drum kit. So if you don't know what a Single Stroke 7 is, I suggest you check out my video lesson linked here. So in today's lesson we have 5 different fill ideas all put through different subdivisions. If you would like the PDF, then just click on the link in the description below. So exercise number 1 is a simple 16th note fill idea around the kit starting on the and of 3. Let's check out the slow demonstration. Okay, so now we're going to play 2 bars. The first bar is just the groove, and in the second bar we're going to put our fill. And we're going to start this at 80 beats per minute. So guys, if you're enjoying the lesson, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And obviously if you have any comments, just chuck them in the comment section down below. So exercise number 2 is now in triplets, but we are actually playing the exact same fill. We're just playing it in triplets. This fill is going to start on beat 3. Let's check out the slow demo. Okay, now we're going to play 2 bars. The first bar is going to be the groove, and we're going to put the fill in the second bar, and we're going to start this at 100 beats per minute. Okay, exercise number 3, the fill idea is now going to be in sextuplets. The orchestration is going to be exactly the same as exercise number 1 and exercise number 2. We're just going to play it around the 3 toms. So I deliberately decided to keep the same orchestration for the first 3 fills, just because they're in different subdivisions and they sound very, very different. But you can be as creative as you want to be, pick whatever voices you want to, it's really up to you. So now let's just hear a demo of the fill really slowly. Okay, again, we're going to do a 2-bar pattern. The first bar is going to be our groove, and the second bar is going to contain our sextuplet fill. We're going to start this at 60 beats per minute. Hey guys, I'm just interrupting your lesson very quickly just to let you know that I've released my first online course. The course is an introduction to hand technique, primarily dealing with the rebound stroke. In the course we learn about grips, we learn about fulcrums, we learn about positions, we learn about essentially how to make the stick work for us. So I've been teaching for well over 20 years now, and when it comes to hand technique, this is the first thing that I teach all of my students. So the course I put together goes over the fundamentals, but primarily there's a lot of practicing videos where you can practice along with me. So if this is something of interest to you, then please just check out the link in the description below. Back to the lesson. Okay, so exercise 4 contains sextuplets as well. This is now a whole bar fill. The idea of this fill is that we're going to play the first single stroke 7 from beats 1 to beats 2. The second single stroke 7 is going to go from the and of 2 to the and of 3. And then the third single stroke 7 is going to go from beats 4 and resolve on beat 1. So the main premise of this fill is that our right hand is playing on the floor tom and our left hand is playing on the high tom. And the first 2 times it's played, it's finished with a snare drum. Let's hear what this sounds like really slow. So now we're going to put it into our 2-bar pattern. The first bar is going to be our groove and the second bar is going to be our fill. For the groove idea, I've chosen to play a tom groove. So altogether this sounds quite heavy, something we might use for heavy rock or even metal. So let's hear what this sounds like, starting at 60 beats per minute. Okay, and final exercise, we have ourselves a little sextuplet nuance on the hi-hat. Let's hear what this sounds like really slow. So the little sextuplet phrase starts on beat 3 and finishes on beat 4. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it into a groove of 16th notes and see what that sounds like. We're going to start at 60 beats per minute. And that's it. There's a few ideas on how we can put the Single Stroke 7 around the kit. I really hope you've enjoyed the lesson. If you have, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And obviously, if you've got any comments or any questions, just chuck them in the comment section down below. And I will see you on the next lesson. Cheers.